My name is Angie Mazzillo. Welcome to my new vlog series, Reboot Wednesdays. No matter who we are, we all have those days that we wake up with not the greatest attitude of the day ahead of us. We wake up with preconceived notions about how the day is going to be, and often they're not very good preconceived notions. We wake up with gray sunglasses over our eyes that we see the day through. I'm calling out Wednesdays as the day that we need to reboot. We need to take off those sunglasses. We need to have a fresh perspective of the day ahead of us. Now, there's a reason why Wednesdays are called hump days. We go through the first couple days of the week and we're going up that hill to get to that midpoint of the week, and we're almost to the top, and we just need a little bit of motivation to get us to the tip top of that hill. Reboot Wednesday will bring you tips on how you can get that motivation you need, change that attitude, take those few extra steps to the top, and slide down the hill on the other side through the rest of the week. My first Reboot Wednesday tip is to make a gratitude list. I know, we've been told to do gratitude lists forever, but there's some validity in that. If we look at the things we're grateful for, it changes our perspective. These things don't have to be huge things. They could be simple things such as you planted a plant in your front yard that makes you happy. Someone brought you flowers. You got a letter from a friend, a picture from your child. It could be something huge that you're grateful for your health, you're grateful for your family, you're grateful for some tangible thing that you can put your finger on. When we look at the things we're grateful for, it changes those glasses. We don't look through those gray glasses anymore. We've changed the lenses in those glasses that will give us a fresh perspective on the day. Come back every Wednesday to Reboot Wednesdays for a new tip on how you can change your perspective, how you can get through that week, how you can climb to the top of that hill and slide down the other side with ease into the rest of your week. I'm Angie Mazzillo, and I will see you next week.